Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. Still one-armed, so decided this morning I'm gonna take and use this little American cookware chef skillet. It was made by AB&I in San Francisco, and I'm gonna cook up the rest of the spam to get that out of the house. Cook up some eggs. I'm not quite as immobile as I was because I was able to get off some of the wrapping, but everything's still cut up, so I can't really mess with it much. But let's get this started. All right, spam is looking like it's getting close. Just wanted to say happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there. And if you ever get time, look up this spam and its role in World War II. It's actually pretty interesting on how it kept a lot of people alive. But this is getting close to time for eggs, so we'll get it in there. All right, guys, got the eggs mixed in. Get this to cook a little bit, and then we'll probably flip it over. But this little ABI Chef Skillet, I mean, it's doing a really, really good job. I like how it feels. It's a little smaller than the other two that I use most of the time, but I mean, it's a great little skillet, and ABI is known for everything in here being super smooth. And of course, their outsides are a little rougher, but all right, we'll get this to the point where I can flip it, and since I'm one-handed, I'm gonna have to do that with the camera down. All right, we got it flipped over. It's pretty much cooked on the bottom, so let's just go over here, put it on the plate. Good thing about this one, the handle did not get hot, but look at that. This thing worked out perfect. You see the little dark spots on it? That's just some staining that was on there. They didn't come out when I put it in the E-tank and the lye tank, so it'll all even out eventually, but it's a nice looking skillet. Guys, everything's done. Hope everybody has a great day. If you know a veteran out there, just say hi to them, see how they're doing. You know, some of them aren't in a good place, so you got to make sure we take care of our own. So y'all have a great day.